The United Democratic Party (UDP) has expressed support for the emergence of the Voice of the People's Party, praising their stance against the influence of money in elections. UDP General Secretary Gemino Mautho emphasized the importance of eradicating this harmful trend, which he believes discourages deserving candidates from entering politics due to financial constraints. Meanwhile, Cabinet Minister Kerman Shilla acknowledged that the UDP's poor performance in some areas was due to a disconnect between certain MDCs and the public.
Duk mentaruh kan dia buat pisah dan teri kami. Tikidon ki cakap bakal buat pisah teri kami. Kidon ki cakap pada bakal teri kami. Dia makalong mentah tangan keren dia kebasyai. Kajing mi juga VPP ru aku kalian kaya rapi nomor ba. Kalong persya ya kajing teri kami juga buat pisah. Kata te kalong kebasyai kita ramah. Kidon ki bayakun ki parti ko pendon kam juga buat pisah ru kilem. Andre kani ka bor pisah kadang teri kami itu ipi gi babon ki cakaket di kani ke bangi hamban penduk ni hamban penduk nomor ba adin habut la syai buat ki brio ki badon ke jing temu ke ba biang jing temu ba manwan chamat ke nomor su nomor ba undon pisah makin ong ba ko ayang election da undon pisah tu undon jing.
There are times that maybe few of our MDCs didn't get that connection, direct connection to public. That misconnection, give them a chance to sweep. So I don't blame the public also. We respect and we accept it. But it's just that this gives us a lesson to learn that direct connection with public is very important. Should not lose that connection.